Hi guys, I'm your dietitian. Today we are going to talk about protein plus one for weight management.
Hey, Fiona, do you know how protein can help me in my weight management journey?
Consuming higher protein meals is one of the common practice dietary strategies to increase healthy eating and improve weight management. Point number 1. A high protein diet improves satiety, helping you eat fewer calories. Our weight is actively regulated by our brain. So when to eat or how much to eat, our hormone does the job and send a signal to our brain. A high protein intake increases level of satiety hormone while reducing of the level of hunger hormone. So you will feel full longer and automatically, yes, you eat less and eat fewer calories. Point number 2. A high protein diet helps in reducing your food cravings. Sometimes craving happens due to boredom, stress, or even tiredness. Studies have shown that adding protein to meals curbs craving by increasing level of the brain reward hormone dopamine. This means the brain is quicker to recognize the high protein meals as a reward and will remain satisfied with it for longer than a low protein meal. Point number 3. Not getting enough balanced nutrients in your weight loss journey as you tend to skip meal. Don't skip meal. When you skip meal, the metabolism will slow down in our body, which can cause weight gain or even harder to lose weight. Because when you skip a meal, your body will go into a survival mode, which means your cell and your body will crave more food, which causes you to eat a lot more. So, no time to prepare a meal or don't know what to eat. Meal replacement is an alternative solution to provide balanced nutrients, including vitamins, minerals, protein, fiber, carbohydrate, etc. If you want more protein, add 1 scoop of protein into your meal replacement to fill in your protein and nutritional gap. Meal replacement comparing to normal meals has lower calories with more complete nutrients without overeating. How much lower? Example, the calories of nasi lemak with fried chicken is about 800 calories versus meal replacement with protein powder is about 250 calories, which save more than 50%. So in summary, a high protein diet helps to decrease hunger, increase your satiety, boost metabolic rate, preserve muscle mass, and it won't make you fat. And of course, if you combine with exercise, it helps you to build muscle in our body and tone your body up. So now you know you can't skip your meal, you can grab a meal replacement, add protein powder, and you are good to go. Taste nutritious and convenient in just less than 1 minute. Go and get your protein and meal replacement today.